Good morning. So today we are back again with a COVID special music lesson series. Lesson 9. In the previous classes we had seen the relationship between the keyboard, the virtual keyboard, which we call the staff, the staves. Reference of every note on the keyboard to either a line or a space on the staff. Today we are going to see another important part in music. The use of different musical symbols in music. As I said earlier, there is a lot of calculation or arithmetic or counting in music. And in order to bring about this particular calculation or counting, we use different symbols in music, in written music, which we follow in our performance on the keyboard. The basic symbol that is used in music is 0. And then we use a 0 with a line, and then highlighted 0 with a line. Then highlighted 0 with a line and tie, and again highlighted 0 with a line and ties. Just have a look at this flashcard. It will be clear to you. We have the first basic value, which we call the full note, or 4 counts. And in order to bring about this, we use a 0. Though in arithmetic 0 is a 0, in music 0 has got 4 counts. Means its value is 4, we just press a particular note and count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a 0 with a line. It can be up or down. That is purely decorative, which we shall see later. And its value is 2. That means that particular note we press and count 1, 2. And then we have a highlighted or a dark note with a line. And its value is just 1. That means we count 1. And then we have a highlighted note with a line and tie. A single tie means a half count. Double tie means quarter. And then we have 1/8, 1/16, 1/32. We don't need to bother about them now at this particular juncture. We shall see the complicated notes later as we progress in music. So once again, basic 0 denotes 4 counts, 0 with a line, 2 counts, a highlighted note with a line, 1 count, highlighted note with a line and tie, half count, highlighted note with a line and 2 ties, quarter count. Now we shall see the use of dots in music. Any dot that is used with another musical note adds to its value. And keep in mind, dots do not have a fixed value. It takes its value from the note where it is used by its half. Remember, a dot is equal to half the value of the note where it is being used. So if a dot is put with the 4, that dot is equal to half of 4. That means 2, so 4 plus 2, the total value is 6. If a dot is used with the 2, that means a dot is equal to half of 2, so 2 plus 1, total value is 3. And if a dot is used with 1, it is equal to half of 1, that is half, so 1 plus half, 1.5. And if it is used with a half, it is half plus quarter is 3/4, and it goes on. So remember, dot adds to the value, whereas the use of line divides the value. Dot adds and the line divides. See, for today, just have a look at this particular flashcard, wherein the correlationship of different symbols explained very clearly. How a full valued note 4 is divided into 2 twos, and further it is divided into 4 ones, further divided into 8 halves, and further divided into 16 quarters. So 4 divided into 2 twos, further to 4 ones, 8 halves, and 16 quarters. Also take note the different way the notes are written. It can be up or down. As I said, it is purely decorative, though there is a basic rule in his writing, which we shall see later. So, have a look at this flashcard once again before you forget. Make sure go through this particular lesson repeatedly at least 3 times, so you get familiar with the value of different symbols and how it is used in music, in written music. We are coming closer and closer to the practical lesson. Tomorrow I shall explain the basic methodology that I use in teaching music, and then day after tomorrow we shall see the first practical lesson in music. See you until then. All the best. Father Tommy Kuruvilla.